After months of anticipation, whispers, and leaked specs, the wait is nearly over. Sony's long-expected mirrorless marvel, the Sony A7V, is finally on the horizon. Following the massive success of the A7IV, which set a high bar in the hybrid camera world, expectations are through the roof. But is the A7V truly worth the hype? Let's break down everything we know so far. Release timeline and price range, mark your calendars. Sony is likely to debut the A7V in mid-2025 after several delays due to supply chain hurdles and strategic decisions. The Sony A7IV originally launched at $2,500, and with recent price cuts down to $1,998, it's clear a successor is on the way. The A7V is expected to carry a slightly higher price tag, landing between $2,099 and $2,999, going head-to-head with cameras like the Canon EOS R6 Mark II and Nikon Z63. Major sensor upgrade. One of the biggest talking points is the expected 42-megapixel full-frame sensor, a noticeable step up from the A7IV's 33MP. Coupled with the Bion's XR image processor, users can anticipate stunning clarity, improved low-light performance, and richer dynamic range. Ideal for both photo and video shooters looking for elite image quality without the bulk of flagship systems. 4K 120, no crop. A videographer's dream, the A7V aims to be a beast in the video department, rumored to support 4K at 120 frames per second with no crop, allowing ultra-smooth slow-motion footage with maximum flexibility in post-production. Add to that 10-bit 4.22 internal recording, and you've got a setup perfect for content creators, filmmakers, and vloggers alike. While 8K at 30 FPS is being teased, Sony may prioritize efficient thermal management to avoid overheating, a common issue in high-res recording, AI autofocus. Plus, ergonomic upgrades. Advanced AI-powered autofocus is expected to make its way into the A7V, offering faster and smarter subject tracking, especially useful for wildlife, sports, and fast-paced content. From a usability standpoint, Sony is borrowing ergonomic wins from the A93, with a more comfortable grip, improved 5.76 mm.EVF, and a 4-axis articulating screen for creative angles. Despite the improvements, the A7V could be lighter and more compact than the A7IV, while keeping strong weather sealing. Delays. With purpose, Sony's decision to delay the A7V wasn't random. Sources suggest issues with the A12 sensor pipeline, and the prioritization of another E-mount release led to a reshuffle. Now, with timing aligning against Canon's upcoming EOS R63, the stage is set for a showdown in the mirrorless hybrid market. Should you upgrade? If you're currently using the A7IV, the decision will depend on your needs, while the A7IV remains a solid performer, especially at its new lower price. Those craving higher resolution, better video specs, and AI smarts may find the A7V to be a worthy investment for the future. Bonus: Sony's 247-megapixel IMX811 AQR sensor. While the A7V captures mainstream attention, Sony has also dropped a bombshell in sensor tech. The IMX811 AQR, a 247-megapixel medium-format sensor. This beast is aimed at high-end commercial, scientific, and artistic photography, offering stunning detail, rich textures, and lifelike realism. Despite its massive resolution, it can achieve a 5.3 FPS readout, which is remarkable for its size. Available in color and monochrome variants, this sensor caters to professionals requiring extreme precision. Whether it's in high-resolution landscape work, scientific documentation, or fine art. A glimpse into the imaging future, Sony's latest developments, both the A7V and the IMX811, signal a bold leap into the next generation of hybrid imaging. Whether you're a pro photographer, filmmaker, or a tech enthusiast, this is a moment worth watching. These innovations not only raise the bar, they redefine it. So, what are your thoughts? Will you be waiting for the Sony A7V, or is another camera on your radar? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Technology in the Future for more cutting-edge tech breakdowns.